Hey guys, I have a 1502 which is a 2015 model. This set itself turns on, turns off, turns on, turns off. It happens like after 15 or 20 minutes of usage. So after checking, it's likely it's the SMC issue. Let me just show you by changing the SMC chip. That's why it's key on and off, because there's a slight water damage on the motherboard, on the SMC chip. So let's reball, changing this SMC chip. Let's have a look. I already put it back. See whether it's turning on right now. I already checked. So let's check. I already checked before this. This says already turning on. In the beginning, it's already turning on, but just that because we found some water damage on the SMC chip, right? So because of the damage on the SMC chip, certain corrosion, I guess the power was going in and out after a certain voltage. This kind of thing happened. So now we replace. Set is turning on, so it should be fine right now. But anyway, we still have to do some monitor because it tend to just shut down after 15 to 20 minutes. I believe this time is fixed. So this is all for the video. Please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.